Welcome to Jimmy James Garage. If you look close, the 52 is in the shop. Let me flip it around for you. There she be in the shop, up close and personal. So we're gonna work on the paint today. We just got her in the shop. This is the better of the two sides, but we've had some real fun with this. So it was having issues with the door handle. Not no more. Got that part fixed. As you can see, the headliner's falling out and it's a real wreck inside. So we're gonna clean this thing up and we're gonna start with a fender. So today, what I'm gonna do is, you can see how dirty this fender is. I washed it. Ooh, look at that wheel. I washed it, got it all kind of cleaned up. We're gonna take some wax to this thing. Right here, we're gonna do number 1 and number 2. Got our little Harbor Freight buffing wheel, got our pad. And we're gonna clean up, we're gonna start on this fender. As you can see, take a good look at it. But you just spread it on there, you wipe it all over. You put this little foam pad on it right here. That's the ultra, that we want the medium. So you take the medium foam pad on it, and then we're gonna buff it. So keep a watching, it's gonna be good. Well, a famous man once said, wax on, wax off. And this is what we do, just like so. Just a little, whoa, don't get that much. Uh-oh, got crazy. Went nuts, so if it overflows on you, you're just gonna have to get it all spread out here. Get it all spread on here like so. Like that. All the way up in these little, and don't be afraid to put it on. And then we're gonna buff this thing to like a diamond. So I get it all kind of spread over here like this. And I'll worry about this lower half here in a minute. We'll get that on there like so. You can even put a little bit on your pad. A little on the pad. Not that much. This thing is running tonight, boy. That's crazy. And then, that's it. So basically we're gonna let it dry. On here, let me get it down here a little lower for you. So it's gonna dry real nice. And then we're just gonna move right along. I'm gonna go over here and hit the door next. And basically the same process. Once it dries, we're gonna come back and to the next step. Okay, so what I did was I took the buffing pad, and you can see I still got to come back and touch it up, you know, right in there where I missed a little bit. But this is just the first cut of number 1. And look at the shine on this thing. It's incredible the way it shines up. It really is remarkable how well this thing is going to shine, especially when we start at the number 2, and then I'm going to go all the way to 6 after that. But you see how shiny it is? And if you come into here, that's a great little, hope it turns out on camera as it is in person. It just is so dull, and it's just so shiny. And it is absolutely smooth to the touch. You know, and it still needs to be wiped. It's cold out here, so there's still some spots that we'll hit again. But so as we go here, we will keep showing you the process. Like I said, this is just the first part. This is the one. Let me show you a couple things I got here. So this is what we applicated it on. It's a pretty firm pad. I mean, you can put these little bonnets on, do all that. I don't usually do it. I come back and buff it with that after I'm all done. But then we put it with the softer pad, the fine one, to take it off. So you can get this at your local Harbor Freight, the whole setup. And I'm telling you, I'm kind of the king of patina, and I can make anything shine, and that's how you do it right there. Shine, shine, let it shine. This is not the finished product, but this is the product after the first cut. So we got another cut and then a polish, but you know, this thing is shining like you wouldn't believe. It's real dull back there, but this front fender and door is like, I mean, look at it. It's like, oh, wow. I mean, the green's coming back. We're going to do it a few more times, you know, on the next level. Number 2, McGuire's. So we did number 1, we're going to do number 2, and then number 6. And then this thing, patina, whoo, it's going to look good. It's going to look really good. You know, and, you know, here we are at Jimmy James Garage, and I am, like I said, I'm Jimmy. So I love doing this kind of stuff. To me, it's kind of relaxing. Really, really is satisfying to get it all buffed up and looking sharp and really, really neat. And this is a cool car. This car is just going to be so cool. It is definitely a prize. And so what you need to do now, do some commenting, do some liking and subscribing if you haven't already done that. And then, you know, I think it's right here. That's the next video, and that's where I'm going to see you at the next video. Right there.